Listen now, listen. You are here because you want a better Nigeria, is it not? But like I said yesterday, I am one of you. I feel your pain. And in our own government here, we are doing everything to make life easy for our people. But you see, this particular protest that we are doing now, our only worry that we know that a lot of people are planning to take advantage of this protest to destroy our state. But we will not allow it. So, like I said before, I want to thank you for being peaceful. I already know your problems. We will communicate your problems to the federal government. Like I said, it is not easy. It is not easy. But we know quite all right that very soon everything will be well. Starting from our own state. Starting from our own state, everything will be well. What we just need is to support the government. Support the government. Support the policy. In the beginning of the policy, it might be harsh, but at the end, everything will be fine. We are going to make sure that we make life easy for you. Our youth. Our youth. I know that you're hungry. I know that you're hungry. Okay. I agree with you, there is hunger. We agree. But because we preach good governance, hunger will disappear very soon. Please, like I said, we are going to support you. I am not against your protest, but we will not support any violent process. We will not support anything that will destroy our state. We will not join force with the enemy of progress. I will support you. I will support you. Before you leave here, I will give you small thing, at least to take by pure water and bread. Aluta continue, but peacefully.